Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn about projectile motion. So projection, what is a projection? It is something to from down to up is called projection, right? So projectile motion is motion of the object along the projection. So what is this projectile motion? When an object is thrown in air, it is not in vertical direction, that is, it is not exactly upwards. It can be in any direction in air. It will move to some direction with some initial velocity, and then it will stop at a point and will be moving completely under the action of gravity alone, which is towards the ground. This type of motion of the object will make a projection. This is called projectile motion. See, it is like if you stand here in the ground and throw something upwards, it will go till one point and will be from that point it will be moving towards downward to the earth because of the gravitational pull there from here to here. This is like a projection, which is called the projectile motion. Or else, if you stand on top of a hill or somewhere at the top, and if you throw an object outside, it will make a half the projection, which is also called the projectile motion. And the object at this point should have some initial velocity and then stop at one point, and then it is moved completely under the gravity towards downward direction. This is called projectile motion. And the path traveled by the object from this point to, it is making the path is, the object is traveling in this direction. This path is called as the trajectory of the projectile motion. So trajectory is what? Path traveled by the particle. Some of the examples of this projectile motion are when you throw any object outside the window from a moving train. It will be like making a half projectile, like what I said in the second case. And the second example is when you throw a ball in any direction, it will move from this point and it will be under gravity and will fall down. This will make a projection. So again, shot put or javelin throw. When a person throws a shot put, he will throw the ball from this point and it will reach the ground like this, which is also a projection here. So these are the examples for your projectile motion. As I already told you, there are two different types of projectile motion. The first type is projectile given an initial velocity in the horizontal direction. So if it is in the horizontal direction, it is like this. If you stand at some point over the hill, and if the object moves from this point, it at one certain point, when there is only gravitational pull, it will fall down, which makes the horizontal and then one projectile motion, which is called the first type. And the second type is projectile given an initial velocity at an angle to the horizontal, which is from the ground point itself. When you throw an object at an angle, the projectile will start in the with some angle itself. So from this point the object moves, and then it will be at some point the velocity will stop, then it will be under completely gravitation, it will be moving down, making a complete projection with respect to some angle to the horizontal. This is the second type of the projectile motion.